In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about carving bits. Now, these are essentially the bits that are used for all the rastering. These bits are global, so they apply to any carvings that are on the surface of the board. You can select one by selecting the carving bit icon, which is the first icon in the carving tab. Your carving bit, whenever you create a new board, will always default to the 16th bit carving. You can select any tapered ball nose or ball nose end mill bit here. And as with any bit, you can configure them. So we'll go ahead and configure this bit, open it up just so you can see how the bit is constructed. First thing to pay attention to is the max depth per pass. This is what controls the depth of passes that the bit will be making. So if I change this to 1/4 inch, it's only going to make 1/4 inch deep passes, and however many it takes to complete the carving. Below that we have the cleaning depth. This is the amount that's going to be taken off if we've selected to do a cleaning pass. So a cleaning pass will be the final pass, and it'll just go across and shave whatever this number is off of the top of the carving. Below we have our speeds and feeds. You have 2 quality settings, and for each of these you have your roughing settings. So if it's taking multiple passes, it will be using the quality for the roughing quality for all but the final pass. And you have, of course, your roughing for good and your roughing for best here. Now, next to the carving icon, we have the ability to turn multi-pass off if you wish. In some cases, if you're doing foam, you'll do this. In most cases, you're going to be wanting to leave your multi-pass on. You can also turn a cleaning pass on and off here. Next to this, we have the roughing bit. Now, if no other bit has been selected as a roughing bit, it will automatically default to the bit that was selected as your carving bit and just use the roughing settings for that bit. Now you can go in and select any other bit, and it will then use that bit and apply the roughing settings for that bit. So of course can speed your carvings up considerably, particularly when you're doing a deep carving. You can actually go ahead and apply a much larger bit and speed up that carving by orders of magnitude. And that is the basics of the carving bits.